how to change Uber Eats bicycle to scooter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually change your Uber Eats from bicycle to scooter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends upon what you're talking about. If you are ordering a food and that you would like the food to be received in scooter instead of the bicycle because the bicycle brings it slow, or are you talking about that if you are a rider, you own a bicycle and now you bought a scooter and that you would like to update your vehicle to scooter. Now to finish with the first process, let's say whenever you're ordering a food on your Uber, you really have no control about what kind of person and with what kind of vehicle is going to deliver the food to you. So instead what you can do is, whenever you're trying to order something, always make sure that in the note section you can just type in only scooter rides. So whenever in the note section you see only scooter rides, people or riders who are going to accept your food request will be able to read that, and they will only be able to accept if they read and that they have a scooter. If they have a bicycle, they won't accept it. But let's say in another case, if you are a person who is trying to update your vehicle from bicycle to scooter, for that you have to contact the Uber customer support. So tap the account icon over here, then just go to this option called help, and when you go to this option called help, you can just select any sort of helps over here, and here you can see I have a different question about Uber Eats. Make sure to select that, and then here in the search bar you just want to make sure to actually enter the details that you would like to update it. Tap the submit option and they should be able to help you with it. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.